Oil prices just took a massive dive. Is the energy crisis finally cooling down, or is this a trap for investors? Brent crude slipped below $100, and WTI is hovering near $97. The big reason? Market optimism, following President Trump's signals that the Iran conflict could de-escalate within weeks. But it's not all smooth sailing. While traders are hopeful, Iran has yet to confirm these talks, and the Strait of Hormuz remains a major bottleneck. Any sudden geopolitical shift could send prices soaring again. In the U.S., we saw a massive surprise. Inventory data showed a 10.2 million barrel build, shattering expectations of a draw. Even with production slightly down this week, the U.S. is still pumping out 0.8 million barrels more per day than in 2025. Conclusion? Keep a close eye on the upcoming EIA report. It'll be the ultimate reality check for supply trends and your energy portfolio. Subscribe to NextGen Finance LT for the latest market shifts.